Hey everyone, today's my simple recipe is Rajma Chawal. This is very easy and healthy. Take 50 grams of Rajma and 50 grams of red bean. Soak 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Remove the water, then transfer to cooker. Then add 1 full cup of water. Add salt, bay leaves and 1 tablespoon of oil. Then close and cook for 4 to 5 whistles. This is Rajma Chawal recipe. That's why I am cooking rice. No roti today. And take 4 to 5 medium sized tomatoes. Cut them, then prepare tomato puree. Tomato puree is ready. Keep it aside. And take 2 green chilies. For this quantity of rajma, these are the masala items: 2 spicy green chili and 3 medium sized onions chopped nicely. Take a kadai, then add 1 full tablespoon of ghee. For this recipe, ghee is very tasty. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once fried the cumin seeds, add green chili and chopped onions. Fry them until transparent. Once change the color, then add 1 full tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. All ingredients available on description box. Please find the ingredients. Check the rice. Meantime, once fried ginger and garlic paste and onions, then add all masalas, chili powder, turmeric powder, and add half teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Already I added salt in rajma. Now add tomato puree. Stir well until puree cook. When the puree dried, then add half cup of water. Now rajma is ready. Cooked well. Now see the very soft and now you add the rajma. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After that, add 1 teaspoon of rajma masala, good quality rajma masala. After that, cook 1 or 2 minutes. Then finally add green coriander. Now serve hot rajma curry and rice or chawal. It's very tasty and very simple recipe. No need a lot of ingredients. You can put onions as side dish. Try this recipe. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos and give a like and comment. Yeah, really tasty. This Rajma curry. I included red bean in this recipe. That is very healthy. Red bean also. Please try it. Thank you for watching.